Hello and welcome to this video guide. I will show with you step by step how you can cancel your Six Flag subscription or membership. If you want to cancel your membership, follow me in this guide. Scroll down till see contact option and scroll here. When you go to contact option, you will see this page. The park, choose the park in this case. From this park here, choose your park as I say, click on select your you have different option here, select your membership and then click on membership here, select your cancellation, as you can see here, cancellation, click next, and then you will redirect it to this well done, as you can see here, click next. From this section, write your membership pass, for example this one, and then write your name, your email subscription here, choose your email subscription, your phone number, your last name, this is for last name, and then write on this comment, I want to cancel my subscription or membership here, write your email, write your order number, and then of these details, and then click submit. Basically, this is how you can do. Choose your email subscription here. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video.